So I did receive this laser light from this vendor from eBay, and it's actually one of these, the Butterfly King laser and LED, and you know, it's a 9-channel laser lighting fixture, if you will. And I'll be trying this out later today. Hopefully SoundSwitch will get back to me in regards to this, instead of me guessing on a laser and seeing how this actually works. Comes with a remote, I believe. Well, if it doesn't have batteries, I'm gonna end up having to get some. So yeah, it doesn't have batteries. It's gonna be the what is this, AAA or AA, whatever the case might be. Either way, I mean, you're gonna need batteries. Some of the other lights always come with batteries, so you know, it's whatever. I mean, batteries are batteries. Okay, so apart from that, you're gonna get these setting screws for the base. You have its cord. I'm gonna Velcro strap this in a little bit. Here's the little base that it comes in. It's not too bad for the price. I actually got a deal on it. This packaging is kind of hard, so bear with me as I try to take this damn thing out of here. They got it in here nice and snug. Hold on. All right, so getting it snug, this is what it looks like. It's in this little foamy thing. I'm hoping to get a case for this, or a carrying case at least. It's packaged pretty well. It's not too bad. It's actually pretty sturdy. Little metal frame, whatever. I know everybody always opts for all these other name brands, but to be honest with you, if you didn't know, you will know now. The majority of the lighting fixtures, if they're not made outside of the US, especially in China, Japan, Taiwan, Mexico, that's where even the highest name brand lights, sort of like these, that would cost in excess of $300-500, maybe even $1,000, come from. So why spend all that money when you can get the same damn thing here? And it's probably gonna last the same, if not longer. I actually have Chauvet, you know, my one and only Chauvet, trusty. I barely got this one a while back, little Derbyettes. And this one, I don't know if all Chauvets come like this, but it's got the old school way of, you know, doing things. I had this one set up for sound only, and I will have to change the settings on this later for running the chain with DMATs. So that's that. This is this little bitty light. We'll try it out later.